Hey man, it's your boy Swaggio, and I'm back with another video. Today, I got a little unboxing for you guys. You know, I haven't really done an unboxing in a minute, but it's an unboxing from Helloice. Go tap into Helloice if you haven't yet. Just gonna do a little quick video for you guys, man. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next videos, man. I'm probably gonna drop some more unboxings because you guys seem to like those. Like, I've been scrolling through my little, like, you know, my little YouTube, like, you know, my videos and stuff. And I was like, shoot, they really like these. Like, I be seeing 1K, 8K, 9K, 10K even. And I was like, shoot, maybe I should get into this, like, more. So I'm definitely gonna tap into the unboxings on jewelry for you guys. Make sure you guys stay tuned. It might be like every few days though with the jewelry, because like this, Helloice gives me these chains to do, like, you know, reviews on. So with other companies, I'm gonna have to get, like, you know, do it a few times, you know, to get their trust, and then we can start rolling. Like, we're gonna start rolling the videos out for real. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Yeah, let me just go ahead and get rolling. All right, so first we're gonna open up the box, the magic box, the magic box. Okay, it's already open. It's not very magical, but this is Helloice right here, man. Helloice. Go type it in on the internet, man. Go search them up. Helloice, HELLO ice. Go type that in. All right, now I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I already did open this because I wanted to see what was inside, just like you guys want to see. But yeah, so great boxing. They ship it in here. They actually put the box inside the cardboard box, and you know, I already ripped it open and everything. But yeah, their packaging is pretty good. They make sure the jewelry gets here safely and soundly. But yeah, they put a box inside of another box. Then they put it in a baggie, and the baggie says Helloice 2, except it's really black. It's dark. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what's inside. All right, so this bag is pretty heavy. Okay, see what we got. Okay. So we got a bracelet here, and I kind of forgot what the names of these bracelets are because I ordered them, like, you know, like a couple like days ago. But we got this bracelet. It's pretty good quality. Got the Helloice emblem right there. Yeah, y'all probably can't see it anyways, but yeah, got the Helloice. That's the first chain. Then we got a necklace just like it. And if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. We got a necklace right here. That's tough. Okay, and we got a gold. All these are gold. Just to let you guys know, this one's heavy though. I got some weight to it. So we got an all gold Cuban link. Die in these Cuban links. Yeah. I be like Rod Wave. But yeah, we got Cuban link. We got, I don't know what type of bracelet this is, or necklace, or these two. But yeah, these tough. I'm gonna get you guys a closer look in the next clip though. And also I'm gonna get you the names on these things too. Cause I don't know how I forgot, but these three things. All right, so I'll catch you guys in the next clip. hope you guys enjoyed the closer look on things. Tell me what you guys think about the chains. Make sure you guys go shop at Helloice because they are getting better with their products. For real. They starting to be like that for real. Shout out to Helloice. I like you. No homo. But yeah, man, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next few videos. And we're out of here. Thanks for watching.